Tomorrow is Kumba's birthday. Tomorrow is Kumba's birthday. Tomorrow is Kumba's birthday. Jango ko manditare jam wonande Kumba. Really? How old is she turning? Really? How old is she turning? Really? How old is she turning? Eyo no foti duuɓi o danyata. She is turning 17. She is turning 17. She is turning 17. O danyata ko sappo e jeeɗiɗi. Is she going to celebrate it? Is she going to celebrate it? Is she going to celebrate it? Omo jogori waɗande ɗum fijirde. I don't think so. What if we throw her a surprise party? I don't think so. What if we throw her a surprise party? I don't think so. What if we throw her a surprise party? Misikani. An ko cikkuɗa so tawi en bettirimo waɗande mo fijirde? Excellent idea. I'll inflate the balloons and wrap the presents. Excellent idea. I'll inflate the balloons and wrap the presents. Excellent idea. I will inflate the balloons and wrap the presents. Ko feere moƴƴere. Mami pompu mankaji ɗi kadi mi sooma kadoji ɗi. Great. I will prepare the cake and the appetizer. Great. I will prepare the cake and the appetizer. Great. I'll prepare the cake and the appetizer. And who is going To decorate the room. And who is going to decorate the room? And who is going to decorate the room? E hol nyanto salo. Don't worry. I'm sure Sira will help us. Don't worry. I'm sure Sira will help us. Don't worry. I'm sure Sira will help us. Woto hul bide yanana ma Sira wallu en.